Hello.
Hello.
Okay guys, we are going. We're still on Gili. We are going, today is our last day-ish, tomorrow we leave. So I've already been for a run today. So the rest of the day is kind of just chilling out, relaxing. We're gonna go have some food now and then go to the beach. Busy day, busy. Cool. Yeah. Pretty easy one. Off we go. Sorted our bikes out. I think again it'll be 40,000. Super cool. Heading that way to something. Any suggestions for places to eat around here? Let me know in the comments. Let other people know in the comments. Oh gosh, Asha's going. Quick, gotta catch her. Go. Yo guys, we just stopped here. Look at this awesome place. Awesome kind of mosaic built stuff with bottles and things called the Broken Compass. Seems to be like a guest house, so kind of like a hostel-y guest house. But also we're just stopped here for the food. I just stepped out because I mean it's a really chilled environment in there. Like I don't want to disturb too many people, but also Jack Johnson is playing, so I don't want to disturb YouTube's, you know, whatever it is, copyright music stuff. But also, yeah, I wanted to show you the outside of the place. It's pretty cool. I've just ordered a Thai red curry, of all things. I think I've got through all the Indonesian standard foods, so yeah, maybe time to go for some Thai. I don't know. Seems like they're big on like Tex-Mex as well. So Asha's actually ordered a chimichanga. So yeah, when all that turns up, I guess I'll show you. Looks like a really nice place though, just to be. They got like paintings on the wall, maybe I'll film, and like mosaics everywhere. And yeah, it's just a cool like decor type situation going on. Seems quite cheap as well for rooms, maybe like 220,000 or something like that. So about £10-ish, no less than £10. So yeah, looks good. Might be a bit party, but you know, if that's your thing. It looks like people are in there and they're all kind of chill. Maybe they just got hangovers, not sure. There is a pool there as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, gonna go back in. I also ordered a banana latte, which is like yogurt, coffee and bananas, obviously. Cool, gonna go in. It's probably ready. Okay guys, well the music stopped, so actually I can talk to you.
No, it's turning on.
Quick!
Quick!
You must have heard me. All gone, all done, all good. Tasted really good, like tasted like a proper Thai red curry. From what I remember. And then Asha's?
Mine was really good. It was really tasty as well, but not as filling as I thought. So
This was good. It's got a bit warm now though. So this was like the banana latte smoothie. And Asha had a, what was yours?
strawberry and orange juice, fresh juice.
Wow. And one thing that I've noticed, which is amazing for this, so it is a hostel, like I know that there are like beds and stuff. I saw up on the, they got like a little screen here. It says 170, you know, for a shared mixed dorm, well maybe not mixed, but dorm room bed, 170,000. It was 220 for a double room here. But yeah, what it does seem to have here, which is pretty amazing, is all you can drink coffee. And it looks like kind of, I guess it's Lombok coffee and juice and tea. So yeah, bonus, very bonus. I think that's it. We're just gonna get the bill. Actually, just going to the toilet, gonna get the bill, and head to the beach because it is a sunny day. They've already been like melted in the sun by the run around the island again. But yeah, getting back in the sun, have some relaxing, maybe some swimming, and then head back to the guest house later to do some editing and stuff. So this is kind of going to be a bit of a short vlog, but still a good one, I think. Not sure if that's a spa pool, but it'd be interesting if it was. But it'd be too hot, to be honest. But yeah, so you can see the mosaics, some chill out like areas, mosaics, and I guess there's all the rooms over there somewhere. And then there's this bar kind of restaurant area. Might be a good one. Maybe one to come back to, because we are thinking we might come back to Gili at some point. So we're kind of always looking out for new places, bargain places. Okay, getting back on the trusty steed and heading to the beach. See you there. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, we're cycling along the front place, but there's no water. I kind of wanted to swim. Okay guys, so we came back to kind of, well, back forwards, came around, went down there to past the massage places. Unfortunately, the further massage place, the water was right out, so there's rocks, so you couldn't really go swimming there. The next one closer to us here, we're just up there, had like rap music, so you know, having a massage and having like Eminem shouting at you. Yeah, it's not really the one. I mean, the massage wasn't, I mean, the rap music wasn't at the massage, it was across the road, but like sound pollution or whatever, very much a thing. Whereas like angry rapping Eminem and you're trying to have like some sort of, you know, relaxing massage, for me it doesn't work. So we kind of came back this way. Usher's there, she's happy now, she's got an ice cream. Just happened to stop at an ice cream place accidentally, so that then she could accidentally have a ice cream. So she looks happier. She's only got one scoop though. I mean, obviously my coffee banana smoothie was probably enough for me in terms of sugar for now. And I think actually it's quite nice to swim here. It looks quite nice. It's a bit shallow again, but you know, probably up to your waist. Yeah, it looks quite nice actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, not too bad. Might just stay here and go for a swim.
Nice.
I just got her ice cream.
Mint choco.
Mint chocolate chip. So yeah, I just gonna have the ice cream. I might go for a swim. Something might happen. The sun will probably shine, and the waves will lap peacefully at the beach. And
Yes, ice cream.
ice cream. So how much was your ice cream?
Doesn't matter
Doesn't matter.
because it's mint chocolate ice cream, and that's priceless.
Priceless, she says. Oh yeah, good.
25.
25,000. I can actually see. 25,000 a scoop. One scoop.
25,000 scoops.
One scoop. Two scoops, 40,000. Three scoops is 60,000. Four scoops, if you're up for it, is 80,000.
It's still cheaper than your dessert. Yeah?
4 scoops. Whew. How can you fit all that in? I don't know. You need like 4 stomachs. Anyway, I'm gonna go for a swim, I think. Asha's gonna do her ice cream. She's also got a guitar. Maybe she plays a guitar later. Ooh. Ooh. Cool. I'm gonna go for a swim.